Today I'm going to show you a snake game I made during my Scratch course at Roboprenr. Roboprenr is my robotics summer camp where I learned coding and electronics. So as you can see here, there is a galaxy background, a snake and a planet. I will press space to start the game. Look, the planet moves to a random spot and if I touch it, I gain 1 point, as you can see. And if I touch the edges, I die and it's game over. That's how you play, okay? And using the up arrow, you can move up, right. With the right arrow, you can move right. Down arrow, you can move down. And left arrow, you can move left. When you lose the game, a black screen comes saying RIP twice. Thank you.